guys, welcome back to Adele DIY. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review of Zinff Eyeglasses, which they so kindly sent to me. Now without further ado, let's get into it. These, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about what makes them so special. For starters, they are blue light filtration glasses, which I'm sure you've heard a lot about, and especially now during distance learning and when you're working from home, you're staring at your computers for hours and hours on end, and that can lead to a lot of eye strain and headaches, which these have done a really great job in greatly reducing. And another thing about these that I really like is that if you have a prescription like me, you can actually get them built in, and they're super affordable. Most of their glasses are $25 to $35, and you can get an extra discount by using my code, which will be linked down below. Now, let's go ahead and try these on. These are so cute. I really like these because I've been wanting a pair of black glasses for a long time, and this was a perfect opportunity to get them. And for these, I searched full rim, round, black glasses, and I came up with these, and I absolutely love them. I think they are so adorable, and my prescription is absolutely perfect, so everything's very nice and clear and easy to see. So I really like these glasses too. I think they're super cute. The only thing is that I feel like they're a little bit too small for my face, so before you purchase glasses, make sure they're the right dimensions. And I really like these, but I think I like the other ones more. But again, for these, I searched full rim, round glasses, and these are one of the options that came up. And I really like the green temple and the tortoise frames. I think they are super cute, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Also, the links for both of these glasses and a discount link will be linked down below, and make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next week. Bye guys. Mwah.